Mastering basic seaman hitches is essential for anyone venturing onto the water. These hitches are not just knots, they are the backbone of effective seamanship, providing security and control in various situations. Let's dive into the top 5 essential hitches every sailor must know. First up is the Clove Hitch. This hitch is incredibly versatile and perfect for quickly fastening a rope to a post, rail, or spar. It's simple to tie and holds strong under tension, making it ideal for securing fenders or temporarily tying boats to docks. You'll find it used frequently on deck, where speed and reliability are crucial. Next, we have the Rolling Hitch. This hitch is designed to attach a rope to another rope or pole under tension. It grips tighter as more strain is applied, which is particularly useful when adjusting sails or creating a temporary towing line. Its clever design allows for controlled movement, making it a favorite among sailors. The round turn and two-half hitches come in at number 3. This hitch provides a strong and secure connection, especially when attaching a rope to a ring or post. It's perfect for mooring lines, ensuring your vessel is safely tied to a fixed object. The friction it creates prevents slippage, making it a fundamental hitch for critical connections. Fourth on our list is the Timber Hitch. As the name suggests, this hitch is ideal for securing a rope to a log or cylindrical object. It's particularly useful for towing or lifting heavy items. The timber hitch tightens efficiently under load and releases easily when the tension is off, making it a practical choice for various tasks. Finally, we have the Blackwall hitch. This hitch is designed for quick, temporary attachments, fastening a rope to a hook using friction. While it's not meant for heavy loads, it excels in situations where you need to secure lighter items quickly. Understanding its limitations is key to using it safely and effectively. Now that you know these essential hitches, grab a piece of rope and practice tying them. Mastering these techniques will give you the confidence and capability you need while out at sea. Each hitch serves a unique purpose, and knowing when and how to use them can make all the difference in your maritime adventures.